Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to uninstall programs on Windows 11 in a few simple steps. So first of all, you can click on the start button and search for run and click on the run. So here you will have to write the commands appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. So once you click this one and enter, it will show you all the list of programs that is installed presently on your computer. So you can choose any of the programs which you don't want to be in your computer. Like for example, in my case, this printer driver, I don't need it, printer software, so I'm just going to uninstall. Right click on this one, click on uninstall. So it will ask for confirmation. Depending on your speed of computer and the complexity of the program, it may take a little bit of time. Just need to be patient, that's it. It's still telling preparing to remove. That's fine, perfectly all right. So this is the confirmation step. Click on yes. Maybe in the video it may not show because the screen recording, it's administrative privilege. So if you get a window like that, just click on yes. Approximate time remaining 45 seconds. That's it. Now the software is gone and we have uninstalled the program successfully. Similarly, you can uninstall any other softwares. So once again, the command you need to run on the run is appwiz.cpl. You can also run the it using the Windows key on your keyboard, Windows key and R. So it will open the same window, run window, instead of searching it on the start. Alright, I hope you understood the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.